Say we are going backwards. Final answer is 27. How it comes? You add 3, no? You added 3. Something you plus 3, it becomes 27. Then what would the top number? It's 24. See? Then you add 3 to get 27. I did that. I'm going backward. Then you double it. You double mean this number, you double it. That means above that number should be 12. Half. Because if you get 12, you assume number is 12, double it, 24, then plus 3, 27. Right? You should go backward. Okay, can you write down this?
Yep.
Question number 5.
I'm done.
Done, right? Now, next one, we are going to fill the blanks box. Missing number. Then equation. Now we are going to build the equation. 4 plus, here 8. Here 6 times 4. If you want to get 8, what should be the here take away? 6 take away number, it become 8. What should be the number? It's a tricky one. Because 6 is smaller than 8. How do you do that? Can you write down on your book this one and figure out? Answer will be 6. Here minus should be another minus 2. And this is a takeaway. Then what you do is, if you have the minus mark, you can make it plus. When you do this one opposite, minus 1 plus, this one going to be changed. Plus 2. That is a rule. If you want to change this one to plus, you can change this and you also change the mark here. Then 6 plus 2, 8. Right, write down this. Okay, now we did that question. complete each statement. 6 plus something becomes 0. This is equation. Left hand become equal to right hand. What should be the number here? But it is say plus. 6 becomes 0. Six become 1 or 6 become minus 1 or
-1.
no, I just told minus 1. No, 6 minus 1, how much? 5. It can't be 5. I need 0. 6 plus minus 6. Right? This minus mark is we write on the top of 6. It has a negative value. Negative. You learn science electron and proton. Have you learned about that? Atoms?
I think so.
Yeah. Then neutrons and proton. Proton is plus. And orbit electrons, negative. I'm not teaching science. Then it has a positive value and negative, like that. And this one also same. 6 plus minus 6. It becomes 0. Okay, this one you can fix. 4a divided by something become a. What is the number?
Um,
4a divided by 4. It become a. This 4 cancel. Right? When you look at this, now you should tackle it. You should pick it. Okay. Addition, division, plus, minus. This all you should grasp. And you need that talent. Say this one, 8 multiplied by something, it become 1. What do you think? Can be what number? You try a number and see. Yeah. Now go for this 8 times 1/8. Right? 8 to 8 cut is become 1. Can you write down?
yeah.
The next one, x over 3. I'm going to do it quickly now. Next one, x over 3 times become x. See, the bottom x already gone. That's mean you have to put a 3 here. This 3 to 3 is 3, cut. Answer will be 3. Right? Now next one. X plus 8. Now we are going to equation. Left hand side equal right hand. X plus 8 equal 12. It's like a balance. For seesaw. You have 2 people here. And one person here. This side is 12. This person 8. And X this one. Then what would be the X? Looking at the balance.
Let's say you have 50K in cash and you use that for
Easy. That is 4. Because this person should be 4. 4 plus 8, 12. How it comes? This X plus 8 you can take away. 8 this side. And other side take away 8. Then this one to this one cancel. X equal 4. Oh, there's another method. X plus 8 equal 12. You can bring the numbers this side to this side or this side to this side. Doesn't matter. But when you bring it in front of the symbol will be changed. See the 8 plus 8. I am going to take and put it this side. What left here? X 12. This plus 8 going to be other side. Minus 8. Then X become 12 take away 8, 4. Are you looking at this?
Yeah.
There are 2 methods. Going other side means okay, you jump to the neighbor's house, other side, fence. You say you are positive, you go other side, it become negative. If you are negative, going other side, positive. Say you are, how do you remember? Okay, you have a dog here, good dog. If you jump to the other side, neighbor's side, it's going to be bad, minus. Say you have a minus, bad dog. Go other side, you become good person. Then equal mark, anything you can change, opposite, other side to this side to other side. But you have to make sure plus become minus, minus become plus. Okay, now that's cleared. Now try this one now yourself.